Aloha mai kākou, o wau kupumaile, coming to you from Kahalewa on the island of Molokai. Our MANAʻo Monday ʻōlelo noʻeau is ʻAʻohe mālama pau I ka ʻiole. Oh, that's a short one. Do it with me. ʻAʻohe. ʻAʻohe mālama pau I ka ʻiole. Maikaʻi, and that translates to no one who takes care of his possessions has ever found them eaten by rats. And if you have had experiences with ʻiole, or rats or mice, you know that they don't get into things unless you leave them alone and neglect them and don't look into them for a while. That's why you'll find them in places that, oh geez, I haven't been there for a year or two. No wonder the rats made hale, they made house inside there, yeah? So if you take good care of your things, you tend to your things, most likely the ʻioles will not get to them. So let's say it from the top together. ʻAʻohe mālama pau I ka ʻiole. Maikaʻi. Our haʻawina ʻōlelo Hawaii for today is how to say don't worry. Maka ʻōlelo Hawaii. E hoʻopili mai, repeat after me. Mai hopohopo. Let's do it one more time. Mai hopohopo. Maikaʻi, so mai means don't. Mai, when you put it at the beginning of a sentence, means don't. The word that you're telling someone not to do is to hopohopo. Hopohopo means to worry. So let's do it one more time. Mai hopohopo. Maikaʻi.